Hey there, it's Brysen from Bold. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create convertible subscriptions with Bold subscriptions. Convertible subscriptions allow you to sell a subscription that automatically switches your customer's product out between the first and second subscription order. Your customers will have the option to subscribe to a single product and automatically receive a different product on their second order. Convertible subscriptions can be used for many different incentives, such as converting a trial-sized product into a full-size subscription item, or offering an introductory subscription box that automatically transitions to the regular product. Before we proceed further with the setup, please ensure you are using an online store 2.0 theme with Bold subscriptions. Please visit our Help Center for more information on the online store 2.0 installation. That being said, let's go through the setup of convertible subscriptions. From the Bold Subscriptions admin, click Subscription Groups. Click Create Subscription Group at the top of the page. Enter a name for the subscription group. This is an internal name to help you identify this group between other groups in Bold subscriptions. Click Select Products and choose the products you'd like to add to this subscription group. Any products that are chosen here will only be part of the initial order. After you have chosen your products, click Confirm at the bottom of the page. Enable the toggle next to Allow Automatic Product Swaps for Convertible Subscriptions. After the toggle has been enabled, you need to choose the product that is swapped with the initial product after the first order. Click Select Product in this section and choose the recurring product. After you have chosen your product, click Confirm. If you would like to apply a recurring discount for the recurring product, enter a discount amount and choose a calculation type using the dropdown. Please note that this discount is only applied to the recurring product. The initial product will not receive this discount. An optional discount can be applied to the initial product a bit later in the setup. Next, enter the subscription frequencies you would like to offer for the subscription group. In my example, I'm going to offer a weekly frequency that renews on Mondays, a monthly subscription that renews on the first of each month, and a quarterly subscription. In the next section titled Order Requirement, this setting allows you to specify a minimum number of orders that must pass before a subscriber can cancel their subscription. This feature ensures that customers must stay subscribed for a minimum number of orders in order to benefit from your subscription discounts. Before enabling this feature, it's recommended to check your local laws to ensure your region allows the minimum order requirement. Enable the toggle in this section if you would like to use a minimum order requirement, then enter a value you'd like to use as the order requirement. Please note that the initial order counts towards the minimum order requirement. In this video, we'll be skipping over the prepaid setting. Please visit our Help Center to find step-by-step instructions and a video tutorial for creating a prepaid subscription. If you would like to offer a recurring discount for the initial product, enable the toggle next to Offer a discount on the first product before the swap. Enter an amount in the discount field and choose a calculation type. Click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. This concludes the setup for a convertible subscription. If you navigate to the product page that you set as an initial product, the subscription widget should look similar to my example. On the subscription widget, the subscription frequencies are displayed from the subscription group that customers can choose from, and a preview of the converted product is also displayed. Adding this product as a subscription into my cart also applies text as a line item to indicate the product that I will receive after the first order. The same text is also displayed in the checkout page as well. Once the customer is in the checkout, they need to purchase the order in order for the swap to occur. Using my example, I'm going to complete this checkout and show you both the order that is generated in my Shopify admin, along with a storefront preview from the customer perspective in the customer portal. Once the order is generated in your Shopify admin, the first order will look like this. Only the initial product that was purchased by the customer is applied to this order, along with text to indicate that the recurring product will also be applied to all future orders. If I log into the customer portal on the storefront and view my subscription, the swap between the initial and the recurring product has already occurred for all future recurring orders. And that's all there is to it. For more information on Bold subscriptions, please visit our Help Center at support.boldcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.